Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on onesmartmedia.com. We begin this evening with a major development in the homicide case rocking a rural Clarendon community. Now, this after the main suspect in Sunday's murder of a pregnant woman died while in police custody. Now, the suspect is reported to have committed suicide. Our reporter Dwayne Anderson visited the community and has this Primetime News follow-up.
This young man was the target of Roden Hall residents on Sunday afternoon. The people wanted to exact jungle justice on the young man, who they feel had killed 21-year-old Tashika McKay earlier on Sunday. The police team, however, fired several warning shots and managed to extract the suspect safely from the menacing crowd. But on Monday, word emerged that the young man had died. He is 20-year-old farmer Markland Hales, also called CJ. Reports are that he was found hanging in his cell while in police custody in Lioneltown in Clarendon. The police say he committed suicide. Incidentally, we spoke with some residents of Roden Hall prior to the news of the suspect's death, and this is what they had to say.
Any man we walk and abuse woman, hang them fear, period.
But the suspect's death adds more questions to this tragic case. Among the answers being sought by residents, what could have led to such a wicked attack? One of Tashika's longtime friends recalled the horrific discovery.
When me jump off run and me go enter the house, me and my sister, first thing could agree to it. Tashika, upon her face, be blood. Blood all about. Blood upon the wall, blood upon the bed.
This bed has been flipped on its side. It's a brutal symbol of a family's life turned upside down. It is on this bed that Tashika McKay was found murdered yesterday on Father's Day.
The boy this every father with a murder like this on a Father's Day. When we all should be celebrating Father's Day, you scuff the life out of a young 25-year-old who is 8 months pregnant.
Relatives detailed how the suspect continued to interact with other residents after he allegedly killed the woman, with even plans to take her mangoes to eat.
He's wicked. Him no have a heart. Me not go tell a man say him have a heart. He don't have none. Me don't know where behind him, but no heart. That is not a heart. Somebody will have a heart, don't. Me not feel like saying me that do a thing like that.
No motive has been established for the deadly attack. The people say they didn't know of Tashika being involved in any dispute with her boyfriend or anyone else.
Nobody and Tashika have no problem if they want her Tashika. Yeah, I feel love Tashika, because I'm playing. If Tashika will tell you something, he will just tell you.
In the meantime, relatives of the deceased have made small steps to try and escape the trauma. They have begun destroying the bloodied sheets and bed from the murder scene. But it will take a lot more to work through this grief, which is why social workers from the Child Protection and Family Services Agency were in the community early Monday afternoon speaking to residents to start the counseling and trauma relief sessions. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.